कि हाथ की लकीरों से जिंदगी नहीं बनती। अगर आप ये सोचें कि हाथ की लकीरें जो आप ज्योतिषी को दिखलाएं और वो ज्योतिषी जो आपको बड़े से बड़ा आदमी बना देगा, मैं इस बात को नहीं मानता। वो शेर ये है कि हाथ की लकीरों से जिंदगी नहीं बनती, अज़म हमारा भी कुछ हिस्सा है जिंदगी बनाने में। अज़म जो है उर्दू का लफ्ज है, जिस इंसान के अंदर विल पावर है, जिस इंसान के अंदर हार्ड वर्क करने का मादा है, जिस इंसान के अंदर डिसिप्लिन है, जिस इंसान के अंदर करैक्टर है, वो जमीन चौक के आसमान को छू सकता है।
India is a home to several historic sports personalities, but the story of Milkha Singh has struck an emotional chord with people. An Indian track and field athlete who famously broke the 400-meter world record in 1960, Milkha Singh has a lot to offer us from his journey. Here are some of the life lessons which we can learn from his life. No one will believe in you if you don't believe in yourself. For a long time, Milkha Singh was living with his sister and brother-in-law in a refugee camp in Delhi set up by the government of India. Destiny led him in the direction of Indian Army, his childhood dream which paved his way as an athlete. He knew he had it in him, and so he strived for it. He always challenged the toughest competitors and then won against them. He believed he could, and so he did. The baggage of self-doubt is something that lures us to not utilize for the opportunities we get. Believing in yourself is the first step to embark any journey. There is no substitute for hard work. Milkha Singh wished to join the Indian Army from a very young age. However, success did not come to him right away. His application was rejected thrice in a row before he finally got through. Even after being selected, he had to balance his army training with running practice. He would pull all-nighters trying to improve his strength, speed, and stamina. Eventually, he went on to represent India at international sporting events. He once said, "I would not stop till I had filled up a bucket with my sweat. I would push myself as much that in the end I would collapse, and I would have to be admitted to the hospital. I would pray to God to save me and promise that I would be more careful in the future. And then I would do it all again." Put your sweat and blood into your goal if you really want to be the best at it. There is no other way. Adapt to requirements and befriend your challenges. Initially, Milkha Singh was uncomfortable running in shoes. His coach encouraged him to get accustomed to running with shoes on. He further justified it by telling him that his shoes will be his good friends in the future. Once you embark your journey with an inspiration in mind, with the people who support you, remember, you'll have to bend yourself according to the situations. You'll have to mold yourself, adapt yourself to different situations to benefit the most out of it. This kind of flexibility is important. It might seem daunting at first, but these challenges will befriend you in the end and will act as a stepping stone to your success. In the end, it takes a story like Milkha Singh's to awaken the spirit within all of us. The most powerful lesson his story gives us is the power of forgiveness. He taught us that you cannot move forward in life with a baggage of negativity and ill will. You can't be a flying sick with that entire burden on your shoulders. So in a way, running is a metaphor for an unburdened spirit of forgiveness. Set yourself free from everything that is holding you back. Have a goal in life. Inspire yourself to reach that goal. Carry along your well-wishers. Strive for excellence, adapt to changes. And finally, experience the thrill and joy of being there.